Scorpio, hi! Welcome to Mystic Queen PH at ito ang inyong weekly reading for December 9 to 15, 2024. If you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paka-check nyo na lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. Ayan. So, let's see what are the energies coming to you this week, December 9 to 15 for Scorpio. Okay, dreams. So, maaaring nagkakaroon kayo ng vivid dreams lately na talagang tandang-tanda nyo ang inyong mga napapanaginipan na parang totoo na siya. Oo. So, maaaring you will see mga signs sa mga panaginip mo about dun sa mga bagay na tinatanong mo sa sarili mo. Like, mga signs kung gagawin mo ba, itutuloy mo ba, ganon. This can be your plans for your career, for a relationship, mga decision making. Some of you naman, maaring kayo ay magpo-focus in achieving your goals, your dreams, na kayo ay naninindigan na maaabot nyo na yung gusto nyo, yung pangarap nyo. You also have forgiveness, so this is pink tourmaline. You are going to forgive someone, no? Or maaring ito yung part na rin ng healing process mo. You are forgiving yourself. Kasi minsan, meron tayong guilt na nagawa natin in the past, na sana hindi natin yung ginawa, or sana iba yung naging decision natin. But, ayun na yun Tapos na yun no? Nangyari na. So, it's time for you to forgive yourself dun sa mga mistakes mo, mga bad decisions mo, and focus on what you can do today, no? Oo. Ano yung kaya mong gawin today na one step closer to your goals and dreams. Oh my God! Oh, 'di ba? Healing. So part of the healing process is you forgiving yourself and forgiving the people na maaring naging dahilan ng problema mo in the past, or naging dahilan kaya nagkaroon ka ng miserableng pamumuhay. So anything na nagpahirap sa'yo in the past. And I think itong pag-heal na to, hindi mo lang yan ginagawa para sa iba, but also most importantly para sa'yo. Yes, you are healing your energies. You are healing from your past trauma. And I think, ito kasing green, this is associated sa heart chakra, which is about love. So you are focusing on loving yourself, taking care of yourself, focusing on kung paano mo mas maisisenter yung iyong buhay ngayon. Okay? So, let's see what else pa for Scorpio. Your overall energy this week is the King of Cups. So, you are in your own element, Scorpio. This is about compassion. Makes sense now with the green color here, which is about your heart chakra. So I think ngayon mas kalmado ka, no? Mas kalmado yung isip mo, yung energy mo. You are healing, you are mas nagiging sensitive ka sa emotions mo. Some of you maaring meron kayong mga tutulungan, no? Mga taong sa tingin nyo is deserving ng tulong ninyo. I also see someone here na may namimiss, no? Namimiss mo. This can be, namimiss mo yung person na dati madalas mong kasama, can be kaibigan mo, romantic partner, or a family member, or anything na nagpasaya sa'yo before, like dati mong trabaho, career, ganyan. So, may mga nire-reminisce ka dito. Your challenge. The Six of Wands. Yung iba sa inyo rito as a challenge, pwedeng may nagiging center kayo of attention, pero nagiging uncomfortable kayo. Let's say for example, you are doing your passion, what you are passionate about, and then, syempre maraming nakakapansin ng galing mo, ng talents mo, ng skills mo, and dumating na dun sa point na mas marami na nakakakilala sa'yo, mas maraming gustong connect sa'yo. So, minsan you feel uncomfortable kasi lalo na may pagka introverted, no, ang mga Scorpio. But, take this in a positive way kasi maraming mga taong parang drawn sa'yo no? You may be showing them love or attention din na they are appreciative, no? Na-appreciate nila yung actions na ginagawa mo. Your opportunity, you have the Four of Cups. I think as an opportunity, meron kang mga kailangang isort sa buhay mo ngayon, no? Ito yung mga bagay na sa tingin mo wala ka nang magagawa and focus on what you can do, no? Like what I mentioned kanina, what you can do now. Merong yung iba sa inyo meron ditong gustong maging malapit sa'yo. Pero maaring masyado kang preoccupied or iba yung focus mo no? Iba yung pinagtutuunan mo ng pansin na hindi mo napapansin itong tao na to na who really cares about you. This can also mean an opportunity na hindi mo napapansin dahil nagfo-focus ka doon sa bagay na you want to make, parang gusto mong mag-work for you. So example, let's say you have a project and then yung project na yon na doon ka nag-o-obsess sa project na yon na dapat mag-work siya, dapat maging successful siya. Kaso, you end up being frustrated kasi hindi nag-a-align yung mga gusto mo. And then, merong opportunity, kumakatok sa'yo, hindi mo napapansin kasi busy ka sa iba. No? So, you have the opportunity right now to figure out what that is. Maaring mapapansin mo na yan finally. So, your blessing is, you have the Seven of Pentacles and the Eight of Pentacles. So, ito ay reaping the rewards. So, some of you, yung mga efforts ninyo, yung mga sacrifices ninyo, it will be rewarded. Kailangan lang talaga patient ka. Kasi, yung iba sa inyo, kinakailangan na maghintay, no? Dahil, hindi naman overnight lang yung success, 'di ba? Kailangan mo ring effortan, kailangan mong magtrabaho, kailangan mong pagsikapan. And eventually, ano man tong pinagsisikapan mo, ay magbubunga ng maganda para sa'yo. Okay, you have the birch rod. So, yung iba sa inyo maaring may iiwasan kayo na tao na sa tingin nyo is medyo toxic or madrama sa buhay ninyo. Maaring nagiging distraction sa inyo yan na parang instead na makapag-focus kayo sa mga importanteng bagay, hindi nyo na nagagawa. So, for some of you, you are cutting off connections dun sa mga hindi na nakakatulong. You also have the key. So, some of you merong solusyon sa mga pinoproblema ninyo or mga nire-resolve ninyo na issues ngayon. This is also about success, no? Solution or key to success na pinagsusumikapan ninyo. You also have the fox. So, mag-ingat rin sa mga makakasalamuha mo this week. Someone may try to deceive you no? Pwedeng parang ipresenta sa'yo na this is a great opportunity in your career, pero hindi pala. So be careful. Ayun nga, sabi rito, stay low key as you get the job done. Yes. So tahimik lang. You are going to work in silence para makapag-focus ka talaga dun sa goals mo this week. Sa relationship naman, optimistic. So, I think, whether you are in a relationship or not, mas positibo yung pananaw mo sa situation mo sa love life mo. Kung you are in a relationship at nagkaroon kayo ng issue, problema, I think you are positibo yung pananaw mo na magiging maayos yung kahihinatnan ng relationship ninyo. Kung ikaw naman ay single, alam mo na merong darating sa'yo. At kung wala, okay rin sa'yo dahil sigurado ka na sa sarili mo. You are someone na masasabi mong independent, no? And then, perfect trust will be rewarded with its like. So, ayun nga. As long as you are trusting yourself, you are trusting the process, you will be rewarded. Okay? So, that is your reading, Scorpio. Thank you so much. Bye.